So this is your assignment this week, is to write out your multiplication facts for your 3s, your 4s, your 5s, your 6s, your 7s. I haven't finished that one yet. Your 8s and your 9s. And I just thought I'd show you how I did one. I did not do them all in one sitting. It would be a lot. And this is your weekly assignment this week. So do a little bit each day. Maybe focus on 1 or 2 of the facts each day. So 7 times 1 is 7. I just like to write out, when I'm writing it like this, the pattern. So I'm not writing my product yet, just the factors. I can be a little faster, and it gives me an opportunity to practice rolling my numbers, which is what I've done with all of these, except for the 3s, because I don't have a rhyme for that yet, but maybe you've come up with one. So I can, as I fill in the answers, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. If you want, we'll roll some more. So this is what you'll take a picture of and turn in. Thanks for doing some off-screen work this week. All of your efforts for your map testing should be where all of your screen time is focused on this week. And we hope you guys did your best, felt confident and great, and practice these multiplication facts, because this is your ticket to smoother math for the years to come.